Hi, my name is Michael Hammond. I'm the president of Danfoss PolyPower. I would like to show you the amazing PolyPower technology. The technology is basically an electroactive polymer or film. It can act as a sensor, as an actuator, or even as an energy generator. The material is flexible and lightweight, it's compliant and has a very high force density. It has a high stretching capability and is completely silent in operation. On my computer I would like to show you some of the basics of the technology and of the PolyPower material. Electrically speaking, the PolyPower film can be viewed as a capacitor with two electrodes and the polymer acting as the dielectric material in between. The next slide. If a voltage is applied across the two electrodes, electrostatic forces will attract the two electrodes to each other, squeezing the polymer so it expands in the X and the Y direction. Now that's the basics of all electroactive polymers. The uniqueness of the PolyPower is that it has a corrugated surface on which there is a metal electrode on both sides. That way the performance is increased. It elongates only in one direction. It has a higher conductivity because of the metal, and it has a certain self-healing function if a breakdown occurs. Enough about the technology. Now I'd like to show you a real-life application. Truly compliant strain sensors are new to the world products made possible by the PolyPower technology. Look at this sensor. It can strain up to 100%. It's flexible and completely compliant, can be wrapped around non-planar surfaces. Over here I would like to show you an example. In this example you will see that the sensor is wrapped around a flexible hose. When I squeeze the hose, you'll see how the circumference increases, which is then measured by the strain sensor. The measurement can be read out on a meter as a capacitance change. Applications for strain sensors are endless. Embedded in flexible machine parts, as a breathing monitor, or as a blood pressure measuring device, just to mention a few examples. For more information, visit us on www.polypower.com.